How to fix login error in BritBox. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. However, if there's any problem with the login, you can simply go to your browser and at the search bar you want to type in BritBox. Tap on BritBox and click on the website. By clicking on the website, you should see a sign-in page which will look something like this, and here you want to type in your email address and password. After that, you want to click on sign in to log in into your account, and this is how you log in through website. However, if you are facing any kinds of problem on the application, you can simply uninstall the app and install it again. And if that doesn't solve the problem, you can simply restart your device and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below.